Nuclear power plants across Europe rely on the River Danube to cool their reactors. But its level is now at a record low and temperatures critically high. Hungary's Pax power plant, which usually provides half of the nation's electricity, was on track for complete shutdown over the weekend. But the Prime Minister announced on Monday that the crisis had been averted after engineers managed to keep one of the plant's 8 turbines running, at least for now. But the Prime Minister urged companies to use electricity responsibly.
We must constantly monitor the energy balance hour by hour. And if necessary, and if it seems that reducing voluntary consumption by large companies, industrial consumers, is not enough, we must intervene immediately and force a mandatory reduction. Or worse, a shutdown must be initiated for certain industrial consumers. This is a huge responsibility.
Downstream, Romania declared a national emergency for August as it had to shut down a reactor, leaving the Cernavodă plant at around 50% capacity. To keep the remaining reactor running, the Romanian Navy used 180 kilos of explosives on Monday to blast through rocks and redirect water flow into the river from a nearby waterway.
We're talking here about barges loaded with stones, empty barges that are being loaded with rocks from the explosions that took place.
The drought is also creating an energy crisis in Serbia. Its 2 main hydroelectric plants, which provide around a third of the nation's energy needs, are running at just 20 and 30% capacity. Be it for nuclear, hydro or shipping, the Danube is becoming an ever less reliable guarantor of energy and economic growth, as the 10 nations it runs through look down the barrel of a more climate-changed future.